uh, Ken from Kansas, I guess that would be pronounced. On your lecture CD, Matthew chapter 13, you said Satan was still in heaven and his evil spirits were cast down to earth. You also said read Revelation chapter 12, verses 6 and 7. I read it over and over, thinking I may not understand it. The King James Bible says he was cast down to earth. Please correct me if I'm wrong. Well, what are your tenses? If you're not understanding the tenses, that would really throw you off. The 12th chapter of Revelation speaks when Satan and all of his bad angels are cast out onto the earth, and no, they have but a short time. His evil spirit has been with us ever since Christ condemned him and locked him in heaven, with Michael holding him. But there is coming a time in the future tense when 12 will come to pass, and he will be, it's the woe trump. That's when it said, woe to you on earth, because he's coming back down there. But his evil spirit has been with us from day one.